I'm excited to learn how to introduce myself confidently in English.
I'm glad to hear that. And I'm interested in how you usually start when meeting someone new.
I like beginning with a friendly smile to make a positive impression.
That simple gesture creates warmth, and I'm curious about the first words you choose.
I usually start by sharing my name clearly and confidently.
That clarity helps a lot, and I'm wondering how you describe your background afterward.
I mention where I'm from because it helps people connect with me easily.
That detail builds connection, and I'm interested in how you talk about your hometown.
I describe my hometown with simple language that feels natural.
That sounds appealing, and I'd like to know how you move into speaking about your interests.
I highlight a few hobbies that show my personality.
Those hobbies add color, and I'm curious about how you link them to your personal goals.
I connect them by saying my hobbies help me become a better communicator.
That link sounds thoughtful, and I'm interested in how you talk about your goals further.
I express my passion for learning and improving myself.
That passion shines brightly, and I'd love to hear how you include work or studies in your introduction.
I talk about the part of my work that motivates me the most.
That positive framing works well, and I'm wondering how you keep the introduction engaging.
I share details that reflect my personality instead of listing too many facts.
That selective sharing feels effective, and I'd like to learn how you maintain confidence while talking.
I stay confident by focusing on the message rather than worrying about mistakes.
That mindset helps a lot. And I'm curious about how you manage your tone.
I aim for a calm and steady tone that feels friendly.
That tone builds trust. And I'd like to understand how you adjust your introduction for different settings.
I make it more formal in professional situations and more relaxed with friends.
That adaptability is impressive. And I'm interested in your technique for ending the introduction smoothly.
I end by expressing the hope to connect more with the listener.
That ending is polite, and I wonder how you keep your body language natural.
I keep my shoulders relaxed and maintain gentle eye contact.
That body language strengthens your message. And I'm curious how you prepare yourself mentally.
I take a deep breath and remind myself that every introduction is a fresh start.
That positive thinking is inspiring, and I'm interested in how you practice your introduction.
I practice by speaking in front of a mirror or recording my voice.
That practice method sounds effective, and I want to know how you build fluency.
I repeat my introduction until it feels smooth and effortless.
That repetition helps greatly, and I'm curious how you stay authentic.
I stay authentic by using words that reflect my true personality.
That authenticity is refreshing, and I'm wondering how you express your strengths naturally.
I choose strengths that feel genuine and easy to explain.
That choice works well, and I'd love to hear how you express a positive attitude.
I describe myself as someone who enjoys learning and improving every day.
That attitude is motivating. And I'm curious how you mention achievements without sounding boastful.
I share achievements by focusing on the effort rather than the reward.
That approach is humble, and I'd like to hear how you handle nervousness.
I manage nervousness by slowing down my speech slightly.
That technique keeps things steady, and I'm curious how you stay present in the moment.
I stay present by listening actively to the other person.
That active listening completes the introduction, and I'm wondering how you add a personal touch.
I add a personal touch by mentioning something meaningful to me.
That makes it memorable. And I'd like to know how you decide what details to include.
I include details that help build a smooth connection.
That thoughtful selection helps. And I'd love to hear how you make the listener feel comfortable.
I use warm expressions that create a friendly environment.
That warmth is inviting. And I'm wondering how you show confidence through your words.
I speak clearly and use simple phrases that sound natural.
That clarity boosts confidence, and I'm curious about your strategy for being concise.
I limit each part to one or two sentences to keep it brief.
That structure sounds effective, and I wonder how you shift from personal information to goals.
I transition by linking my strengths to what I want to achieve.
That transition feels natural, and I'd love to hear how you express long-term plans.
I describe my future plans with optimism and excitement.
That optimism is contagious, and I'm curious how you show enthusiasm while speaking.
I use expressive language and a lively tone.
That liveliness keeps people interested, and I'd like to hear how you highlight your unique qualities.
I focus on qualities that make me stand out in a positive way.
That positive focus is strong, and I'm curious how you keep the introduction organized.
I follow a simple structure of name, background, interests, and goals.
That structure works well, and I'm interested in how you maintain balance in content.
I avoid overwhelming the listener by sticking to key points.
That moderation is wise, and I'd love to hear how you maintain consistency.
I stay consistent by practicing the same format in different situations.
That consistency ensures growth, and I'm wondering how you bring confidence into your expressions.
I use uplifting phrases that show I believe in myself.
That self-belief strengthens your introduction, and I want to know how you add friendliness.
I smile gently while speaking to show a welcoming attitude.
That friendliness is charming, and I'm curious about how you keep improving your introduction.
I update my introduction as I learn new skills or gain new experiences.
That evolution helps, and I'd like to hear how you adapt when talking to different audiences.
I adjust my vocabulary based on who I'm speaking with.
That adaptability is impressive, and I'm curious how you encourage deeper connection.
I ask engaging questions about the other person after introducing myself.
That curiosity builds rapport, and I'd like to hear how you stay confident throughout.
I remind myself that introductions are simple conversations, not performances.
That reminder eases pressure, and I want to know how you maintain energy.
I maintain energy by speaking with genuine interest and passion.
That passion is inspiring, and I'm curious how you show gratitude during an introduction.
I thank the listener for taking the time to listen to me.
That gratitude creates positivity, and I'd love to hear how you end on a memorable note.
I end with a friendly remark that encourages future conversation.
That memorable ending is wonderful, and I'm interested in how you keep your introduction unique.
I share something small that reflects my personal journey.
That uniqueness makes your introduction stand out, and I want to know how you stay motivated.
I stay motivated by remembering that every introduction opens a new door.
That mindset is powerful, and I'm curious how you speak with calm confidence.
I keep my pace steady and breathe naturally while talking.
That steadiness enhances clarity, and I'd like to know how you express ambition confidently.
I describe my ambition with positivity and strong belief.
That belief is encouraging, and I'm wondering how you keep your introduction meaningful.